Today studying about the lactation and its hormonal control. You see here, this is the section of the breast, this one and this one also. After parturition of all the body, nourishing the baby, an important event of the parental care. Lacting is the period when breasts are stimulated and to secrete milk. After parturition, the progesterone and estrogen levels in blood loss, due to which stimulate pituitary gland to secrete hormone prolactin, and it brings lactation. The prolactin hormone secreting from the pituitary, and then the lactation is going to be start, that is milk coming from the breast. The mammary glands consist of number of lobules formed of columnar epithelium. From these lactiferous ducts pass towards nipple in the radiating direction. You see here, these are the lactiferous ducts. Then each lactiferous duct has an ampulla and its termination. At its termination, you see here, this is ampulla. This is lactiferous ducts, and this ampulla also presents at the lactiferous glands. Each lactiferous duct, the lobules of the gland has surrounded by fats. There is a presence fats. You see here, the labeling is given here. Fats are surrounding around it. Alveoli are lined by myoepithelium cells surrounding the nipple is an pigmented area of skin called areola, which contains a number of specialized sebaceous glands at this region. This is areola glands, this areola, and this is the pigmented dark region. Then the mammary glands are stimulated in the activity during the pregnancy. In human beings, there is a general enlargement and hardening of the mammary glands after conception under the influence of hormone estrogen and progesterone. The veins on the surface becomes dilated and dark brown pigment is deposited in the areola at this region. Dark pigmentation takes place. At the end of pregnancy, colostrum can be secreted from the breast, which is nothing but milk without fat. This fluid increases among for a day or 2 days and then replaced by the milk or lactation. Actual secretion of milk brought by the action of hormone oxytocin. The oxytocin helps to contract the myoepithelial cells surrounding the alveoli of a mammary gland, and ejection of milk takes place. Mother psychologically also play an important role in lactation. The fear inhibits secretion of oxytocin and prolactin and no lactation. If fear, there are first delivery, not followed lactation, even though the breasts full of milk. The oxytocin injection then becomes providing to permit the lactation. Estrogen and progesterone are essential for the physical development of breast during the pregnancy. Both these hormones inhibit actual secretion of the milk, that is estrogen and the progesterone. Then placenta secrete human chorionic somato mammotropin, which has lactogenic property. Lactation requires mother's other hormones, that is GH, corticosterol, and the parathyroid hormone. They are essential to provide the amino acid, fatty acid, glucose, and they are required in the milk production. Hypothalamus inhibits the prolactin by producing hormone, prolactin inhibiting hormone, and thus there is a hormonal control of the hypothalamus or the lactation. Okay, so here we completed the, that is the lactation and hormone, and here we completed the female reproductive system. Thank you.